Murder Night. As you can see, the cover is insane, and I'm pretty sure the book is equally amazing. So, sir, in like a few words, how would you describe your book?
I would say it's thrilling. You need to pick it up, read it. It's really entertaining. People who've read it and they've given me an honest feedback have told me they can't keep it down.
Oh,
they have to
that's
finish
great.
it and then put it down.
Yeah.
So I would suggest pick it up and just have a read.
And what would be the central theme of this book?
It's a murder mystery. See, I come from a lawyer's background, so the first guy who gets murdered is a lawyer. So that's how you start with it, and then eventually it opens up, giving you little by little the details of how it, where it goes, and then in the end you find out whoever it is.
That's great. How was your entire journey from ideation to publication has been like?
Oh, see, in terms of indie press helping out, they've been very helpful. Other than that, it's been very difficult because writing the entire thing is a different story, and then
Oh, I can
editing the entire thing is an entirely different story.
Yes, it's a whole.
So-
it's a lot of unlearning and
Yes.
relearning that happens.
So
during
it took me almost, let's say, 2 years to do the entire thing.
Mhm.
So it takes time. It takes time, and these are things you can't hurry up, even
Definitely.
if you try to.
Yeah. Anything that you discovered about yourself while you were compiling this? Something new that you
Honestly,
understood?
that I can write.
Oh yeah,
I
that's,
didn't know
well, that's
that.
great. Now you know, right? So now
Yes.
you can come up with more things
Of
that you
course,
want to
of
tell
course.
us and tell the world. So
There are more titles in the pipeline. Just waiting for some time and some motivation to start on them.
That's
The
great.
outlines are there, the stories are there.
and
Just
maybe
need-
the same genre, or is it a
yes,
Same
one
genre.
or two of the same genre. One, I would like to experiment with a new genre.
all right?
Let's see how it goes.
I am pretty
So-
sure it'll work well.
I hope so. I really hope so.
Good luck with your book, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And I think I'm gonna pick up because I'm also a big fan of horror and thriller and murder mysteries and everything.
And you guys have worked very hard on it.
And we're so grateful that you like it.
Yes. I do.
The cover is insane, like I said. It just brings in so much intrigue that you can't help but pick it up, right?
I think that was the major point of confusion and fight when we started off. The cover got
cover.
changed, I think, 3 times.
Yeah. I think I was very much involved in the process.
Yes,
The leaves
yes.
were firstly like golden.
Yes.
Then we thought, oh, maybe we should do foiling on them. So
Yes.
it's a whole process. But then the result is this. So I think it just makes up. It's all worth it, right? When
Yes.
when the result is this. So having said that, let's move to the signing of your books.
Sure. One.